Welcome to this overview of the Time Track module, a part of the Infor Factory Track solution portfolio. Infor Factory Track is an end-to-end solution that helps manufacturers synchronize their plant and warehouse activities with their enterprise business processes. Factory Track offers three modules: Warehouse Mobility, to manage inventory movements via barcoding solution; Time Track, to automate labor tracking and attendance; and Shop Floor, to automate work center operations on the production floor and improve manufacturing productivity and efficiency. All three of these modules can work together or stand alone with your ERP system to provide the right set of solutions for your manufacturing environment. The Time Track module is a time and attendance solution that efficiently manages attendance and labor data collection. Time Track also features exception handling, absence management, shift management, and facilitates accurate attendance data export to payroll applications, thereby reducing human errors, total operation costs, and improving workforce productivity. Time Track integrates to Infor ERP systems, providing real-time labor updates, allowing companies to use accurate cost information. Let's take a look at the application. The employee homepage is a simple, easy-to-use touchscreen-enabled dashboard that allows users to capture day-to-day activities. Employees can easily clock in and out using the attendance transactions form. Lunch and break time transactions can be manually performed or automatically deducted from their shift schedules in Time Track. Employees can use the real-time entry form to capture direct and indirect labor against jobs for their day-to-day activities. Direct labor can be captured for production orders, projects, and service orders. Employees can start a single job operation or multiple job operations. For assembly operations that require more than one operator, the Time Track module supports the concept of dynamic teams. Team leaders can build a team on the fly by easily adding and removing members from the team before the start of the shift and can perform one start-stop transaction for the entire team. Labor hours are equally assigned for each member of the team. For office employees, such as engineers, Time Track provides elapsed time entry form to capture labor and attendance hours on a weekly or daily basis. The job data can be saved or posted to the ERP immediately. Employees can view and print their timesheets for a given work week or date range for record purposes. Time Track also features employee absence tracking. Employees can request time off for a full or partial vacation using the Request Time Off form. The requests are then submitted to the supervisor for approval. One of the major challenges for production supervisors is to identify labor efficiency and production costs. Time Track equips supervisors with real-time information from shop floor activity to easily manage employees assigned to their work group. The hours summary form displays employee timesheets for any given work week. The timesheets are color-coded to easily identify the status. Exception handling and approval are just a click away using the buttons on the menu bar. For supervisors to view the timesheet details of an employee, they can right-click on the record and go to the Hours Detail form. The Hours Detail form shows the list of all the punches for a given day and a summary of the total labor activity. In addition, Time Track also features shift management, attendance rules such as overtime and double time, payroll data extracts, and reports. Listed here are a few devices for the Time Track module. Infor's Factory Track hardware team can also help you with suggestions and hardware quotes to equip you with the right devices that suit your manufacturing environment. Overall, Factory Track is a complete automation suite that covers all areas of manufacturing operations across the warehouse and shop floor. It also bridges the gap between planning system and activities on the ground. For more information, please reach out to your account rep or visit us at www.infor.com.